Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will show you how to install CodeBlocks. So go to the browser and type CodeBlocks and click here downloads. Then check the operating system. Okay, so go for the latest version and select this one. Okay, now double click on it or go to the file location and double click on it. Check yes and it start installing. Just click on next and then I agree, and then click on next and then install it. Okay, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Yes. So this is it. Now you can create a new project. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.